What's going on? It's Roger. Um, I didn't get too many deals on Black Friday, Cyber Monday. I didn't get a chance to go out. I was sick. Anyways, I picked up a grip tools from Ross, 14 piece power nut driver set. I don't have any nut drivers. I don't think, at least none for my impact driver. But cheap tools. I'm not in a profession that demands something crazy, uh, expensive and well good quality. This is just for me, so I don't mind getting some of these small stuff. I've enjoyed grip tools actually. These were $4, so yeah, and it comes with a little case here, so I'm pretty excited about that, just to add it to the toolbox.